The second Adam, who were on the tree of life, he was on the cross. The first Adam, he cried, he ran to God. The second Adam, ran to God. He told him, I'm here. I'm here in the book. I'm here. Hallelujah. First Adam, he ran from God. He himself. So I heard a footstep. And I felt that I was naked. And I ran from you. The second Adam, Christ, he went to God. Let me tell you something. It's not wise men that were able to ask what Christ was born. It is God. And it's a pillar of fire who laid them. They thought it was a star. It wasn't a star. It is the pillar in the wilderness that was able to shine upon them. They went, they saw the star and the pillar to where the child was born. Because nobody can be able to get to God through the law. You can't get to God. You can't go to God through the law. It's like trying to have a bridge and be able to get to heaven.
You can't use a ladder to go to heaven.
In Jesus,
it's
only Christ. In Hebrews it says, sacrifices
number 2
and offerings you have not desired. This is what happened. God saw that they had faith. He told them, from today, I'm going to create a new nation and have a new way so we can have a community. And so from today, what thing do we do? You have to give sacrifices from Noah and Abraham and Isaac all the way to the wilderness. They had a plan of giving sacrifices. He told them, from you, he was a cow, he was a pig. If you sin, be able to lay your hands upon it and say, from today, all my sins are sent it in this. I'm going to send this in this. So it can go in my behalf. It is a substitute. It is a substitute. I was supposed to die. I'll give the sacrifice to that. The Bible says, even though they were doing all those things, the sins were not to come to God. They were covering their sins. God will look at them and overlook them. The sin has not been there to them. It was just been covered. Because the blood of the Lamb, the blood of goats, in order to take away the sins, there had to be someone who had the blood that does not have blood. The blood of man was blemished. That's why in Romans, for all have sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. But he who did not sin, hallelujah, Christ does not have the blood of Adam. In biology, the woman, the blood of the woman does not go, it's not the same as the child. Even when the woman has AIDS, the child is not contaminated. So the blood is not the blood of Christ. You don't have the blood of Eve. God created him from heaven. I want the body go through Mary. I told Mary, you're about to give me a dwelling place. The Christ that is pre-existing from the beginning. He told him, before Abraham, I am. Before Abraham was I am. Before David, how can David call me Lord? He's not. If I'm careful, he's greater than David. He's greater than all the priests. He's the high priest. That is the one that they took and they put him in the womb of a woman. After he was put in the womb of a woman, his blood was not touched by sin. Those who had goats and lambs, those who they ran to them. They saw the blood of Christ. The Bible says, truly, it is no doubt, the mystery of God is great. The mystery of God is great. This is how it came. Peter and Cornelius had some good words told him. I now understand. God does not overlook the blood of goats and lambs. There's no time but the blood of Christ was able to get us to the holy of holies. The blood has made us holy and righteous. The blood of Christ took sins away from us. The blood of Christ was able to get the once and for all. The blood of goats and lambs. The blood of goats would go every year. It wouldn't take away the sins. But God needed a body. Somebody wanted blood that was different. And when he goes through the holy places, he will be able to give a sacrifice once and for all. He will be able to bring all those who want to. Hallelujah. That is Christmas. That is why Isaiah said, to us a child is born. He gave us the answer to all those who have Christ came. He came down. He condescended. He condescended. He came into the womb of Mary. Until the time he was born. The world did not recognize him. The wise men did not recognize him.
Oh, hallelujah.
The few that recognized him, they had the light of God shone upon them. That light of God, he was able to lead them in a pillar of fire. He showed them where Christ was. Today, the star, the pillar of fire, in the fellowship may be upon you, so you may be with Christ. Today, come from the tradition, leave the tradition, leave from all everybody's doing. Today, leave from all the dressing. Today, hallelujah. Today, leave all the sacrifices. Today, it is not a time of offerings. Today, it is Christ, the Son of God. That is where salvation belongs. There's no other name. Hallelujah. Stand up for your praise. There's no other name under heaven.
Yes.
Because the body was prepared. All the sinners, all the men, they were to get to three things. The first one,
they accessed
all included. The second thing, there was the forgiveness of sin. The French Bible says, without the shedding of blood, there's no forgiveness of sins. Without the shedding of blood, there's no forgiveness of sins. Third thing, there's a reconciliation. He was separated from God. Christ came to be able to reunite us with God. The reunited of the new covenant. From the old to the new covenant. He's the Christ. He's the King. He became lowly. He's the King of Christmas. He's the King of Kings.
He's the King of Zion. He's the King of Kings. He's the King. He deserves all glory.
Hallelujah. The day that he was all the weeping tears of water. John cried when he saw the book. There were signs. Somebody would not open that book. And when he looked from the nation of Adam,
he said that
from the house of Abraham, God told Adam, you will have a seed. So when there's a seed that will come from you, a seed that will come from you. So the Lion of Judah will never open the scroll. Do not weep, John. Do not cry. Do not weep, John. Cries of Christmas. Cries of Christmas. the representation.
He is the
Christ.
No.
He is the Christ I speak of.
Come here, man.
Just put our hands together.